Hello everyone, introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Dimas Tiawan. Meet me again on my channel, Belajar with Dimas. In this video, I will provide a tutorial with a brief explanation of the material. First, HTML introduction. Next, how to create the first file in HTML. Then, the basic structure of HTML. And maybe later, I will provide a little additional material about other text in HTML. Okay, first, introduction of HTML. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is a standard markup language for a document designed to be displayed in an internet browser. HTML is a markup language the browser uses to interpret and write text, images, and other materials into web pages visually and audibly. The basic characteristics for each item of HTML bookmarks are defined in the browser, and this characteristic can be changed or unchanged using additional CSS Designer web pages. Next, how to create the first file in HTML. Okay, next, how to create the first file in HTML. First, we open the code editor on your laptop. Here, I use the VS Code editor. Like this. Once open, we select the file and click Add Folder to Workspace. Select a page to save your document. Here I will save it in new volume D and new folder, folder 3, click Add. Okay, then the folder that we create earlier, it will appear here. We click the folder and click new file. Change name the file first HTML. When you finish it, when finished, you have created the HTML file like this. Next, here we will create the basic structure of HTML. Namely, first there is the HTML text, enter. Then within the HTML text, there is a head text and body text. Head and body. And within the head text, there is a title text. Okay, like this. This basic structure of HTML. HTML, head, body, and title. Before I explain the basic structure of HTML, I will first tell you what texts are. So, these texts are expressed with angle brackets like this, angle brackets and close angle brackets. Texts are usually a pair called 1. The initial text expressed in the form open angle brackets, text name and close angle brackets. 2. The end text expressed in the form open angle brackets slash text name and close angle brackets. Format like this, text name, displays text and slash text name in angle brackets. For example, to display text in italics text format, this text appears italicization in your browser with the HTML command E. This text appears italicized in your browser. Okay, right, in her text E, and in the middle I can put the text. This is italic style, like this, and open with live server output, and yes, it is in this italic style. Okay, delete. That's a brief explanation of text in HTML. That's a brief explanation of text in HTML. Next, I will explain the parts of the basic HTML structure. The first in the HTML text, heads, body, and title. What is the HTML element? The HTML element is the top element in the hierarchy of HTML elements. This element is used to provide information to the browser that this file is an HTML file, as well as being the root of the file. All other elements are written in the content section of this element. Second is the head elements. The head elements in an HTML file function as a place to store information from the HTML document. The information stored can be in the form of meta elements, style, or links, and also other important elements that function to display the title of an HTML document are defined using the title element. Third is body elements. The body elements contains all the content in the body elements that will be displayed on the website page. This element is used to hold all content or elements that will be displayed in the browser windows. For example, here I create a paragraph in the body text, namely using text P, then in the middle I fill it with text. I will copy it from my presentation slide, then I paste it here. Okay, copy and paste in here. Like this. Open with live server. Like this, and hypertext modeling ways output. Okay. For headings, we can use H1, text H1, and in the middle you can create headings for title, HTTP introduction. Okay, and this is a output from H1 text, like this. We will see that it will appear like this in browser page that we create. Maybe for now that's enough for my explanation of the material. We'll continue in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell. Thank you. See you in the next video.